According to U.S. government agencies, cell phones and EMFs are non-ionizing, meaning they do not have the power to alter atoms in the human body. Because of this, and the assumption that heating alone cannot cause health problems, the public is told that non-ionizing means safe. The resolution by the committee says otherwise. The committee states that, quote, urgent measures must be taken because of the inability of children to recognize the harm from the mobile phone use, and that a mobile phone itself can be considered as an uncontrolled source of harmful exposure. The committee called for requiring health information regarding exposure to EMFs on the phone itself, as well as setting limits for children and teens using cell phones and laptops. As of 2019, no U.S. regulatory body has adopted similar measures. Regarding this debate around ionizing and non-ionizing radiation, I asked Dr. Martin Pall why some researchers claim that non-ionizing radiation is safe and others claim that it causes harm.
When you're thinking about radiation, you're talking about the individual photons that make it up. And the fact is that the individual photons that make up non-ionizing radiation, particularly in the microwave and lower frequency ranges, don't have enough energy to influence the chemistry of our bodies. That's true. They don't. But we're not talking about the individual photons. It's the fields as a whole. And those fields as a whole put forces on a structure called the voltage sensor that controls these voltage-gated calcium channels. And that structure is extraordinarily sensitive to these fields. And that's why you get activation of the voltage-gated calcium channels, and why you get excessive calcium in the cell. So we know why the system works. We know why it's so extraordinarily sensitive. And the industry's been claiming that these fields are not strong enough to do anything. But the reason the industry's wrong is because this structure is extraordinarily sensitive to the forces of the EMF. So this comes straight out of the physics, and this is where the physics background that I have has been very valuable, in addition to understanding the biology.